Thank you for your very kind introduction. Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, Excellencies, Captains of Industry, Chief Secretary Shri Padi, Senior Government Officials of Odisha, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. I am grateful to Government of Odisha for inviting me to this Make in Odisha conclave. I just want to share our story of being in Odisha, which started 30 years ago. 30 years ago between my father, Shri O.P. Jindal, and the legendary Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Biju Patnaik ji. Biju Patnaik ji was asking my father to set up a million-ton steel plant here. A million ton in 80s was a big deal. And my father was very keenly pursuing it, but somehow it didn't happen. I was studying in the US at that time. 15 years back, sometime in 2003, we decided to set up a 6 million ton steel plant in Odisha based on Swadeshi raw materials, based on indigenous raw materials. That means we are not going to be importing anything. We will make 6 million ton steels with Indian high ash non-coking coal. We started in 2005, it took us almost 10 years. And for the first time in the world, we set up a steel plant based on coal gasification route. We were allocated a coal block in 2003 in Angul district of Odisha, that we will gasify this coal, make synthesis gas, make DRI, charge hot DRI into electric arc furnace, and make steel. And this would have been for the first time in the world somebody adopting this process. But unfortunately for us, in 2014, Supreme Court deallocated all the coal blocks. So we were suddenly left without fuel. The whole reason to go to Angul, to be 4 kilometers next to coal, was gone. But then, we did not lose hope. With the encouragement from Government of Odisha, we started to put up India's largest and most modern blast furnace, India's largest sinter plant, coke oven and steel melting shop. And only last year, we commissioned all those. Honorable Chief Minister dedicated the 6 million ton steel plant to the country, and now we are operating the biggest blast furnace, the sinter plant, and the steel plant is fully operational. Along with this 6 million ton steel plant in Angul, we are also operating a 9 million ton pellet plant in Badbil, which has been exporting the highest amount of pellets from the country. So throughout this 15-year journey, while we were investing 45,000 crores in Odisha, we had plenty of challenges. To say that the journey was easy, it was most challenging the last 15 years. Because whatever we earned anywhere, everywhere, we invested it all in Odisha. When we had these plenty of challenges, we also had plenty of support. Plenty of support from people of Odisha, plenty of support from Government of Odisha, plenty of support from the Honorable Chief Minister. So I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister for his leadership, for his support that made all this possible. And then obviously, we are ever grateful to Lord Jagannath, because without his blessings, nothing happens in Odisha. So this experience of last 15 years of working in these challenging circumstances, getting this support, also gives us the confidence to invest more in Odisha. So we are confident that by 2030, we are going to take our 6 million ton steel plant to 20 million ton steel plant. Our investments from 45,000 crores to 100,000 crores. From employing 50,000 people to employing 100,000 people. And along with this large steel plant, encouraged by the government, the Honorable Chief Minister, of doing something for MSMEs. As Mr. Sanjeev Chopra, he mentioned about the private industrial park. So we are also setting up a industrial park in Angul, where all the challenges that we face, whether it was land or water or electricity or other things, I'm sure people coming into our industrial parks are not going to face any of those challenges. We are going to make all these things very, very smooth. So I would encourage you all to come and invest there, come and visit us, come and visit the steel plant in Angul. We also have a temple of Lord Jagannath, so come and seek his blessings, and then come and see this most wonderful temple, that is the steel plant, most modern temple of modern India. Along with setting up steel, we also take passionate interest in doing a social responsibility, building schools, hospitals, townships. And we want to do a lot more of this. And I'm confident that soon, when we actually going to start making money, we are going to do a lot more of all this work also, so that we can deeply and truly contribute to development of Odisha. So ladies and gentlemen, to budding investors over here, with this conducive environment, a stable government in Odisha, I urge you all to invest in Odisha, a land blessed by Lord Jagannath, and join the Juggernaut. Thank you. Jai Hind.